In this video, I introduce compressing context to enhance large language models using self-information. Selective context enhances inference efficiency of large language models by deleting redundancy in the context. Large language models can still generate the correct output using the pruned context, as shown here. This original context and this field context. Self-information is used to quantify the amount of information conveyed by talking, phrase, and sentence given its output distribution. Self-information of a talking xt is defined as negative log likelihood as shown here, where I represents the self-information of a talking x and p denotes his output probability. Self-information indicates the surprise and uncertainty of an event, and therefore real events convey more information and have a higher self-information. Lexical units with lower self-information are less informative and thus are more likely to be inferred from the context, which are treated as redundancies during large language model inference. The entropy H and perplexity PP of a sentence S with n words are defined as here and in these two figures and these two figures. Given a context C where xi denotes talking, a large language model is used to compute self-information for each talking x, as shown here. The content filtering of selective context is conducted on lexical unit. Each lexical unit U consists of multiple tokens, and the self-information of a lexical unit with alpha tokens is computed by using this formulation. The self-information of each lexical unit is used to evaluate its informativeness. The percentile-based filtering approach is applied to adaptively select the most informative content. To this end, first we rank the lexical units based on their self-information values in descending order, and then compute the percentile P of self-information values among all pixel units through this equation, which is explained in this figure, which selectively remains lexical units with the self-information values greater than or equal to the percentile P. The field context C prime is constructed as here. The percentile-based filtering remains the most informative content depend on the distribution of self-information values in the given context C. For example, if P is set to be 50, half of tokens, phrases, or sentences will be filled out. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you.